Hey y'all, I'm back with another courtroom breakdown, and today we're talking about the state of Idaho versus Bryan Kohberger. This wasn't just a boring legal check-in. Nope, this was 3.5 hours of hardcore procedural choreography. The judge laid down the law like a drill sergeant with a clipboard, so buckle up, we've got a lot to unpack, from jury selection roulette to courtroom tech restrictions that feel straight out of 2004. From the jump, the judge made one thing crystal clear. Do not bring drama to my courtroom. He wants evidentiary issues handled before or after court, not during the trial. Thank you very much. Objections? Keep them tight. Objection hearsay is fine. Anything longer? Pipe down. Let's talk about the jury selection system, aka trial roulette. Jurors are assigned random scramble numbers between 1 and 10,000. They'll be questioned in that order, not alphabetically or by looks, just cold, hard randomness. Voir dire will happen in groups of 15 to 20 with 30 minutes per side. Sensitive stuff like media exposure or capital punishment, that'll be handled one-on-one. Bonus twist, jurors are eyes only. Even Kohberger can't peek at the questionnaires unless his lawyer is right next to him like a legal babysitter. Trial days are Monday to Friday. Start time is 8:45 a.m. sharp. Counsel better be caffeinated by 8:15. Breaks? Maybe. Holidays? Not guaranteed. If you're sequestered, forget Labor Day barbecues. The judge is out October 2nd and 3rd, so mark your calendars. But otherwise, it's full steam ahead through fall. Oh yes, the infamous knife is expected to make an appearance. Physical exhibits need display boxes. Color photos must be provided for the record. Binders for each side, limited to 1.5 inches max, because nothing says death penalty case like a Staples shopping trip. Exhibits must be tagged, subdivided, and coordinated with the tech like it's a group project you can't afford to bomb. Witnesses have to notify the court in advance, show up on time, and not drag their testimony like it's a Netflix special. 2-tier witness notices must be sent the day before, guaranteed witnesses, and, if we got time, ones. Witnesses must swear they haven't watched any news coverage, and jurors will sign daily affidavits as well. The court has HDMI and Elmo. Yes, that Elmo, not the fuzzy red one. If you want real-time transcripts, bring your own gear. Live stream will be a static view only. No zooms, no pans, no Dateline dramatics. If a witness wants to stay off camera, think Undercover Cops, they can request a visual blackout, but audio will still roll. No arguing during openings, it's show, don't sell. Visuals like PowerPoints must be submitted 72 hours in advance. Objections, 48 hours before that. Pick your lighting, on or off, and stick with it. Time limits will be respected, but if you burn through your time in closing, your rebuttal time shrinks. Better plan your mic drops wisely. The court is following updated Idaho Supreme Court instructions for capital cases. Jury instructions will go out in phases, pre-proof and post-proof. If there's a guilty verdict, the penalty phase kicks off immediately. No breather. The judge is not starting this trial sequestered, but he's keeping the option on standby. Juror questionnaires will ask if they can handle sequestration if needed. And here's a spicy twist. If media leaks continue, a special prosecutor might be brought in to investigate. Yes, even before the trial starts. So here's where we land after this marathon pretrial hearing. This isn't just a high-profile trial, it's shaping up to be the procedural Olympics. The judge isn't just managing a courtroom. He's commanding an operation that rivals NASA in structure and precision. From exhibit binders measured in inches to lighting preferences for opening statements, this entire setup screams control, consistency, and absolutely no chaos allowed. And if you thought jury selection would be straightforward, think again. The scramble system is giving Hunger Games energy, except instead of fighting for survival, jurors are trying not to get picked. Add in the gag order drama, threats of special prosecutors over media leaks, and a potential for sequestration, and yeah, this trial is already messy before a single piece of evidence is presented. Let's not forget, this is a death penalty case. That means we're not just looking at guilt or innocence, we're talking about whether the state of Idaho can take a life. Every move in this courtroom is being made with that final possibility looming over it. From chain of custody protocols to witness affidavits and blackout live stream options, it's not just a trial, it's a full-blown constitutional chess match. And the court is making it crystal clear. Break the rules, and there will be consequences. So what do we know now? We're heading into this with tight rules, a firm bench, and a jury process more secure than Area 51. Kohberger's defense team better come in prepped and battle ready, because the judge is not tolerating legal gamesmanship. This trial is going to be intense, emotional, and dissected from every angle. But if this hearing was any preview, it's also going to be airtight. And in a case this public and this serious, that might be the only way to get through it without the whole system falling apart under pressure. And that's it for this recap. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thank you for watching and supporting me. Be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and click the bell so you don't miss any of my recaps. And remember, stay safe, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.